This is our ingredients for our Kamin. Chicken soup with turmeric. So you should have onion, chili, kaffir lime leaves, onion leaves, turmeric, and garlic, and of course this one, lemongrass, and very fresh chicken from our farm. While you are preparing your ingredients, you are boiling water. So I think the water is ready. Okay, now, okay, let's prepare. All the ingredients are already inside this pot. It's boiling. We're waiting for the chicken to be tender. The meat should be soft enough. That will be ready to be served. So we will put now all the last ingredients. These are the chili, the kaffir lime leaves, and the onion leaves. It's gonna be our lunch. Very delicious. Before we serve it, we increase the fire. Ready to serve. Okay, this is it. This is our Kamin chicken soup with turmeric. Very delicious, very nutritious. I'm very hungry now. Very healthy. Yeah, very healthy. Join with me.